Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can upload images and photos on Microsoft Copilot, for example, to use them for your conversations and chats with the artificial intelligence here in Copilot. So let us get started right away. Head over to Microsoft Copilot, make sure that you're logged in with your account here in the top right corner. And for example, with your Google or Microsoft account, and what you want to do after that is click on that button in the top left corner, start a new chat. And what you want to do, guys, is simply use that text box here where it says message Copilot and type in your message, or alternatively, if you'd like to upload an image and let the artificial intelligence, for example, process that image or edit it or, I don't know, analyze it whatsoever, or use it for your text, simply click on that plus icon here where it says open, select upload from the drop-down menu. After that, locate the image on your device. Let me do that really quickly. Let me go with an image that has been generated by the AI here on Copilot, just for the sake of the tutorial. And after that, you will see a small preview or thumbnail of the given image here. You may delete or remove the image here and also add a message, for example, I don't know, tell me what you see on that image or something like that. And that's basically it, guys. Once you're ready, simply click on that button here, press enter, so that the artificial intelligence may process your image. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.